Hello, I'm Nerdy Bird Kiwi. I relax by building Gundam model kits. When I build, I forget everything and just focus. Now I'm making the RG first Gundam titanium finish. My first kit was the MG Unicorn Gundam Perfectibility. Building models clears my mind and it makes me want to live more wisely. That's why I read one Talmud story every night. Today's story is The Young Man on the Roof. He wanted to be a rabbi, but had no money. He worked day and night for tuition, but then got sick. So he climbed onto the roof to listen through the window. He fell asleep there in the cold, in great danger. The next morning, he was found and allowed to study for free. Later, he became a great rabbi. One day, a Roman general came to him and asked, "Rabbi, what is the Talmud?" The rabbi answered, "Do not make others do what you don't want to do." The Bible teaches the same. So in everything, do to others what you would have them to do to you. For this sums up the law and the prophets. I looked back on my day. Did I make others do what I hate? Being wise is not easy. Like building a Gundam kit, wisdom grows piece by piece. Thank you for listening to my story today. I'm Nerdy Bird Kiwi. See you again soon.